Hey everyone, my name is Mr. Fathy, and today we are going to be making mashed potatoes. And you can see right at the back of every mashed potatoes box, you can see how many servings you want. So you want to serve 2 people, 4 people, 6 people, 10 people, or whatever. And it tells you what ingredients you need. So since I'm not going to be eating that much, I'm just going to serve around 2 people. So for 2 people, right here, you need 3/4 of a cup of water. You need around a half or 3/4 of the flake that's found in here, the stuff that's found in here. And you need around, right here, a 1/3 cup of milk. So it seems around right. And there's 1 teaspoon of butter, but I ran out of that, so we're gonna substitute that for oil. They're kind of the same thing. Butter just gives the more smell and better taste overall. But before we start that, we're gonna have to wash our hands. Let's come down here to the sink. So it is ideal to wash your hands for more than 20 seconds. So we're gonna grab some soap. Start getting in the tight spots here. We're gonna just dry it off. And there we go, we're back. We're gonna start this whole thing. Before we do this, we need our parents with us because we're gonna start using the oven and fire and stuff is too dangerous for us right now. So reading the instructions on the back is better because it's different for every box and everything that we do around here. So for me, I'm gonna have to start by boiling, put the water in. So you guys can see that. There we go. We're gonna start by putting the water in. And since we don't have butter, we're gonna use some milk that we have. There it is. I just have olive oil with me. You could use regular oil. And you just need to use 1 teaspoon of that. So I'm gonna just put it over the sink, so if any oil drops out, we can just, easy to clean up. Around there. Okay. And also we are going to put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start heating this up. Mom and Dad to lower the temperature a little bit. Now we're gonna put our milk, cold milk in, and we're gonna put our flake in as well. And once you put the flake in, you need to start stirring really, really quickly. You can tell it's starting to thicken. See it? You need to keep doing this until it's really, really soft. keep stirring until you feel as if it's really solid and nice. Alright. I think that is good enough. See how it looks like? So right now we're going to put these cups right in the sink because we're going to wash them later. See how it is? Now we're going to put this in a little plate for us to eat. There we go. Just put that right in there. Everything out because we don't want to waste food. Wasting food is really bad. Okay, we're gonna put this right in the sink, and there we have it. It's a little hot, so don't eat it right away. Let it sit there for a little bit, and you know everything will be good. We could add a little bit of black pepper. I don't know if you can see that black pepper. Lift it up and just ooh, that's a little too much. There we go. And then we can add multiple things, more things. What? We can add a little bit of cumin. And that'll be it. And after that, we just need to stir it to get all the things inside, to get everything together so you can't taste more of one thing on the other side, you know what I mean.